Hello, grade fours. Today we are doing a special revision lesson to remind us all about the important things we learned about energy. We'll take a look at and talk about how we use energy every day, where energy comes from, and what happens if we don't get energy. We'll look at plants, animals, and even our own bodies. So, what is energy and what do we use it for? Energy is power. We use it to do everything and everything and everything, from running and playing to thinking and even sleeping. Yes, your body still needs energy while you are asleep because all your organs, like your heart and your brain and your lungs, need energy to still work while you are sleeping. So, where does our body get energy? We get our energy from food that we eat. Our food has nutrients inside. Those are the good parts in food that helps us to grow and move and stay healthy. Carbohydrates like rice and bread gives quick energy. Protein like eggs and meat helps us to build muscle. Nutrients are what makes food useful to our bodies. We need carbohydrates for energy, protein to build our bodies, and vitamins and minerals to help us fight sickness and grow strong. The sun is a giant ball of burning gas. It gives the earth heat and light. And remember that light energy, what do we also need light energy for? For photosynthesis, nay. Without the sun, we would not have any energy. It helps plants to grow because of the energy the sun gives off, and it gives warmth to all living things on earth. So how does the energy transfer work? Energy moves from one thing to another. The sun gives the energy to plants. Remember, through photosynthesis. Animals eat the plants and get the energy. We eat the animals or the plants, that's how energy is passed on. This is called energy transfer. Let's look at the energy chain. It starts with the sun, as you can see on the slide, then it goes to the grass, then or onto the flowers or the plants, then the chicken will eat it, the plants, and then the human will eat the chicken, as you can see here. Energy flows through the chain. Every living thing gets its energy from the sun, even meat eating animals, because the meat eaters need the herbivores to eat the plants that gets its energy from the sun. Here's another example: the sun, grass, rabbit, eagle. Plants need energy too. Now you're going to ask me, but how, ma'am? Plants also need the energy because a baby plant is called a seedling. Remember in term 1 we discussed this? The seedling uses sunlight to grow. How? Through photosynthesis. Remember, through photosynthesis, a plant needs sunlight energy. Nay, remember. So the green leaves helps the plant make its own food from the sun, and without the energy from the sun, the plants would die. So a plant needs that energy from the sun to grow. Now, what would happen if there was no sun? Plants could not grow. That means no food for the herbivores. Then carnivores would also die, and without the sun, everything will freeze and die. So life would stop eventually. So basically, no sun means no plants. No plants means no herbivores can eat it. That means no carnivores can eat herbivores because there won't be any herbivores. And then um, everything will just die because there's only and omnivores is a animal can eat plants and animals, but there won't be plants, and because of no plants there's no sunlight, so you see nothing will exist, everything will just die. Now let's see what will happen if there's no plants. If there were no plants, the energy chain would also break. The herbivores would have no food because they will starve to death because they need that plants to eat. And the carnivores would not have herbivores to eat on. And all animals, including humans, need plants. Otherwise, they will die. So let's practice. You have to draw your own energy chain. Show your energy, how it moves from the sun to a plant, then to a herbivore, and then finally to a carnivore. Use arrows to show the direction of the energy. So basically, as you can see here on this slide again, you're gonna make like a energy chain for us. And remember, do you see this energy of the arrows on the energy chain? The arrow will go and show to the place where the energy is going next. So from the sun, where's the sun's energy going? To the plant. That's why the arrow is showing to the plant. The chicken will eat the plant, so where is the energy going? It's going to the chicken. The human will eat the chicken, so where's the energy going? To the human, so that's why the arrow is pointing at the human. So you have to make your own energy chain. So let's do a quick recap. Let's go over everything we know about energy that we have learned the past few periods. The sun is our biggest energy source. That means the sun is what gives the us the most energy. The sun, so basically, the sun is the most important thing for us. We get our energy from food, like the plants we eat or the meat we eat. Plants need the sun to grow, and animals eat plants or other animals to get their energy. And a life needs energy to live because without energy, nothing can move and will be possible. Thank you for being such great learners. Remember to ask me anything if you are unsure. Good luck, grade 4s.